Could a single link be the key to getting free money for you and your friends? That's the core question when looking at the Wealthsimple referral program. In the world of finance apps, everyone has a refer a friend bonus, but how does Wealthsimple stack up, and is it actually worth your time? Let's break down the current offer and figure out if you should be spamming that link to everyone you know. The first thing to understand is the base bonus. For the majority of users, when you successfully refer a friend, both you and your friend will receive a cash bonus. While the exact amount can change due to promotions, it's typically in the range of $10 to $25 each. The bar for this is incredibly low. The referred friend just has to open an eligible account, like a trade or a cash account, and fund it with a tiny amount, often just $1. That's essentially free money for a few minutes of effort. So, for the casual user, it is absolutely worth it for the base cash reward. But the real value of the Wealthsimple referral program often lies in the tiered and promotional rewards. Wealthsimple frequently runs ladder or boosted challenges, especially for the person doing the referring. These are what can make the program seriously lucrative. Instead of just a flat $25, the size of your bonus can depend on how much your friend deposits. For example, if your friend transfers a large portfolio, say $100,000 or more, your reward can jump significantly, sometimes up to a few $100s or an expensive piece of tech, like a set of premium wireless headphones. This is a great incentive for people who have friends or colleagues looking to consolidate their investments from another bank. You're not just getting a small thanks, you're getting a major reward for bringing in a high-value client. Now, let's talk about the key things you need to know to ensure you actually get the money, the fine print. First, the account type is key. The referral is usually for new clients only, and it generally applies to self-directed investing, crypto, or a cash account. It won't work if they're already an existing client or just signing up for a different Wealthsimple product. Second, there's often a hold period. If you or your friend withdraw the bonus amount immediately, Wealthsimple reserves the right to claw it back. You usually have to keep the bonus money in your account for a set period, like 180 days, to fully qualify. Third, and this is important for new users, make sure the referral code is entered before or right after opening the account and before they fund it. If they fund their account first and then try to add the code, the system might not recognize the referral, and you will both miss out. So, is the Wealthsimple referral program worth it? For the average person, it's an easy yes for the quick $25 bonus. You both win. But for the financially savvy user, who knows other people looking to make a big transfer, these promotions are an incredible value add that can deliver hundreds of dollars in cash or top-tier rewards. It's one of the best programs in the Canadian finance space. Just make sure you read the specific promo details before hitting send. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.